Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Michu. आज ना मैं कुछ तूफानी करने वाली हूँ. I'm going to do my makeup today following a Nikkie tutorial makeup vlog. So I'm super excited लेकिन nervous भी बहुत हूँ because if you guys know me, you know I always go for subtle, wearable eye makeup looks. But today I'm going to follow Nikkie tutorial makeup vlog. She's so artistic. She's always up to the mark and she is so neat. So मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा nervous हूँ, पता नहीं कैसा होगा. So that's the main reason why I'm wearing this dress, because I wanted to get into her vibe. Also, please don't judge me. I am nowhere close to her excellence. Still, I'm going to try it and create something out of it. So let's see how it goes. So I'm going to do this look. I thought red liner मैंने कभी लगाया नहीं है, so it will be a little different and little interesting. Now let's play the video.
With that, using affordable drugstore makeup products, then sit right where you're sitting and don't go. Okay, let's go.
So I think she's going to just use the Maybelline products in this video. I think so.
Of course, and is dermatologist tested, yes. Now, since it's the holiday season and it's the time to sparkle or glow, I have this right here. This is called the Face Studio Chrome Jelly Highlighter. This one is in the color 20 Metallic Rose, and just the tiniest bit of this will make your foundation last longer because this is super long wear, but it will also add that beautiful glow to your foundation. So this mixture is going on my face.
Okay, so she has used an Illuminator with a foundation to get the glowy look. So for that, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match foundation. With that, I'm going to add this iconic Illuminator. So I'm just going to mix it. Okay, nice. So since she's using a beauty blender, I'm going to use a beauty blender from PAC.
Concealer today, I'm going in with the Super Stay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer in the color 10.
So for my concealer, I'm going to use a Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So I think she has just used the concealer under her eyes, so I'm just going to do that.
And once that is blended in like perfection, I'm going in with the Fit Me Loose Powder in 05 to bake and set my face.
Okay, so I think she's just blending the concealer, and after that she's just going to use a fixing powder. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm using a PAC beauty blender. I'm just going to set my concealer using the K Beauty HD setting powder.
Alright, so I did my brows and one eye off camera, so this is what's waiting for you. I just want to let you know that I recently did a full in-depth brow tutorial, so if you want to know how I do my brows, go to that video. The pencil I used is by Maybelline. This is the...
Her eyebrows are just so perfect. इतने अच्छे से कैसे किया है? I have to watch that video.
This is a must. And to set the hairs of the brow into place, I've been using the brow.
Okay, so she has done her eyebrows and now she's going to do her eye makeup. So I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows as well. For my eyebrows, I just like to brush my eyebrows. बहुत ही basic routine है. I just like to brush them out in upward direction. That's it.
For eyes, I'm playing with this very exciting New York eyeshadow palette. And
the palette is gorgeous.
What it looks like, everybody. Look at
nice.
This is a warm nude green. The first color I'm dipping into from the palette is this shade right here called Creator. I'm picking that up on a brush and I'm stamping it onto the outer portion of my crease.
It's time for eye makeup. Please wish me luck. So she's starting her makeup with a warm color and she's going above her crease. So I'm going to do that. I'm going with this shade from Huda Beauty palette.
And definition right there. Hello. All we're doing is kind of stamping that on and creating a flick outwards because we're creating a sexy cat eye today for the holidays. All you want to do is get that on that outer part.
Okay, I'm not sure what I'm doing, if I'm doing it right or wrong.
Outwards, because we're creating a sexy cat eye today for the holidays. All you want to do is get that on that outer portion, And then start blending out those edges. And then just kind of start stamping it upwards. Stamp it up. Stamp it up past the brow. Have no fear. The blending brush is here. So I'm literally taking the brush and stamping it beyond my brow.
2 hours later.
What do you guys think?
So we have a darker color on the outer portion and a softer color on the inner portion. And if you so desire, you can flip this into the front of the brow. I always do this because
So she's using a lighter color inside and darker outside. So I'm going to do that. For that, I'm going to use the ColourPop Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use, I think this one. This one is kind of similar to that one. थोड़ा तो अच्छा कर रही हूँ मैं.
And do you see how fast and easy that just sculpted my entire crease area? It gave me dimension, it gave me a look. Now you can totally stop here, but of course I'm extra and we're adding a whole lot. On the lid, I'm applying this color. On the lid, I'm applying this color right here. This is called Originator, and I'm slightly damping my brush to give it an extra punch of shine. And just make your lids happy with such a booming, beautiful color.
Ooh, wow! Oh, this is gorgeous. मेरे सारे आई शेडो पैलेट बहुत अलग अलग है. कोई भी एक ऐसा आई शेडो पैलेट नहीं है जिससे बहुत सारे मिल जाए. सो आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर दैट. हैव ऑल द ऑप्शंस ओवर हियर. तो मैं एक एक करके निकाल रही हूँ. सो द कलर शी हैज़ मेंशन्ड राइट नाउ, आई थिंक इट्स दिस वन. And this palette is from My Glam's Manish Malhotra's collection. If you wonder why to use a spray on a eyeshadow brush, it's because it gives you nice pigmentation and the color looks really really good. Dabbing it. एक बार देख लेती हूँ.
And then just make your lids happy with such a booming, beautiful color.
Okay. Mine is looking a little different now. Let's see.
Time for some fun, trust me. So I'm going in with this right here. This is a Super Stay ink crayon. This is originally meant for your lips. It's great as a base for your eyeliner too. This one is in the color Settle for More 65. And I'm going to be using this as a base for my Smoky Vampy liner. A smaller brush, and I'm just blending it soft and diffused. And this is like truly the perfect base for a smoky liner.
She has used a red lipstick, so I'm going to use a lip liner from Sugar, and this is in the red color. Okay, so let's try wing liner with a red lipstick. Close enough. Let's see what's the next step.
And then hopping over to this shade called Globetrotter, and that's going right above it for more smokiness and vampiness.
So she has used two colors. So first I'm going to use this brown color. After that I'm going to use this red color. Now going with this color. Let's see what's next.
Red kind of moment by opening the outer
under eye now.
Up. So using that same Super Stay ink crayon, I am going to lay it down as a base and leaving a little gap open here for lightness. And we're just going to buff and blend and smoke it out.
Ooh.
And just like we did on the top, I'm first going in with this color and then that one right after.
So I'm just going to use the same lip liner under my eyes and followed by both the colors.
Waterline to really open up and create that effect. I'm using this right here,
White
the Master
kajal.
Trauma Light Liner. It's a brightening eyeliner in the color 40 Matte Light Beige.
Okay.
Alright, I'm quickly gonna go off camera to pop some falsies on. And not just falsies, but also the falsies, the lash lift mascara on the lower lashes. And I'll be right back.
So I think this is it for eye makeup. She's going to apply mascara and falsies. So meanwhile, I just do my this eye and I will get back to you. Okay, so I have done my another eye and I think I have done a decent job up there. So the next step is she's going to definitely apply falsies because I think she loves to apply false lashes. And when it comes to me, I have never applied false lashes. मैंने in fact अभी recently order किया है to make this video, so I don't know how to apply it. I'm not even sure कि ये लगाते कैसे है. Okay, I think after 1000 or 2000 attempts मैंने ये लगाया है और मैं बिल्कुल used to नहीं हूँ falsies की. मुझे मेरी eyes बहुत heavy लग रही है, पता नहीं क्यों. It's like this. Please tell me similar है. Just do my mascara to my lower lashes. Okay, so let's move on.
Apply a pop of blush, coming mainly from the sides of the face, sweeping forward, so that we sculpt more and more, because this look is about elevation, sculpting.
So moving on to the blush, I'm going to use the Too Faced Papa Don't Peach.
For highlighter, I'm going in with this beauty, this stunner. This is the Master Chrome in 250. And you know, I may or may not have had a little hand in helping Maybelline choose this shade, okay?
Okay, so she's applying here.
I mean, I think we can all see that I helped them. Beautiful. It's a must.
On nose.
Line upwards, as well as right here. This right here, this little highlight trick here, for me, always kind of finishes a look. Like if I don't do this, I'll notice and feel incomplete.
So for the highlighter, I'm going to use the Nika one. Okay, so I'm just going to use my fingers and just applying it. I personally don't like to apply it over here because it feels like a spotlight. But today we are following Nikkie's command.
For lip, I thought naughty, I thought darkness, or at least something colorful and out there. So why not use that same liner base on our lips?
So the lipstick that I have in similar shade is this one. This is the Sugar Metallic lipstick and this is in the shade Lisa. Wow, that color is so gorgeous.
The color it needed. And that's it, guys. That completes this Naughty for the Holidays makeup tutorial in collaboration with Maybelline for their Makeup Like This series. Again, if you want to see a more nice look, then head over to their channel.
Okay, let me zoom in for you guys. So this is the final look. I hope I have done some amount of justice to it. Do let me know what do you guys think and do let me know if you guys want to see more such kind of videos. I will happy to do that and my eyes are feeling really heavy. सच बताऊं मुझे इस वीडियो में इतना डर लग रहा था जितना मुझे 10th के एग्जाम में लग रहा था. Okay, I will see you next Friday. Bye.